And now we are on the other side of the fence. As you can see, we're downhill levels here. Keep it going. Everything intersects. Goes this way towards the street. As you can see, we are downhill to level here. So everything comes out, ties in, continues on, going this way. And we have it going over here. Downhill to level here. And then same thing with the next section. Downhill to level here, and then my last little section, I always like to try to make it extremely downhill, so all the water will definitely force itself to collect here to build up. Got the burrito wrap. Everything's going to build up, overflow, go to the nearest storm drain.